to Paulo Cruzada. Anyway, everyone they're not going to forgive you because for what you did to Teacher May. She already filed a lawsuit against you. For example, Paulo Cruzada, Teacher May had already filed the cases against you. Why? Just to know what's really happened in the incident. Alright, later at noodles, so I have to make videos. And first of all, I'm gonna say to Paulo Cruzada, don't do that to Teacher May. Teacher May, I say again, Paulo Cruzada, I've been talking with Clarence Barredo. She is already retired. Alright? I'm say again, retired na nga po si Teacher May. Tapos ginaganon mo pa pala siya. Like, what you're saying, is not true. You attempt to hostage Teacher May. Teacher May messaged me. She said, it's not really true. Paulo Cruzada did not threaten to hostage me. How come you find my address at where I just live and where I just live anyway? Paulo Cruzada, you are wrong. People, some area, you're just like Kuya Kopio. Oh. Paulo Cruzada is really worse than Kuya Kopio. And Paulo Cruzada, with all due respect, with all due respect, you should never harass Teacher May. Teacher May is already retired. Why are you threatened to hostage a person that she doesn't do anything? For example, Paulo Cruzada, if Rafael Tiburcio will buy a airsoft gun, he will shoot you a pellet gun in your eye. One more threaten to hostage Teacher May. One more threaten to harass her. Remember, Rafael Tiburcio was part of my gang of Spedmotics. That her nephew. I contact Rafael Tiburcio. I contact Franco Cagayat. I want them to torture Paulo Cruzada and brutal him. Not even just brutal. We can send him in Davao City. He will beaten by Philippine what does J-Rick Silva says? Philippine reptiles of the T-Rex. Reptiles. You will be beaten by the Spedmotics. At least if Anjo was there, he will beaten you. If I were you, Jordan Pilapil, don't listen to Paulo Cruzada. You should listen to your friends. You should add your new friends like Franco Cagayat. Oh, you should add J-Rick Silva in Facebook. Don't listen to Paulo Cruzada. Just like I said before, Jordan Pilapil. If I was, I just want to say, kung ako sa'yo, Jordan Pilapil, wag mo kinig yung gagong Paulo Cruzada na yan. He's really an asshole. If I were you, Jordan Pilapil, ilaglag mo na yan si Paulo Cruzada. You just wanna leave him alone. If I'm saying before, he is not our friend anymore. He is not your friend. Do you know, Jordan Pilapil, that Paulo Cruzada harass you? Even he attempt to rape you. He attempt to rape your friend, Wawel Romero, to see what was Wawel Romero says? He wants to rape, oh. He wants to kill Wawel. How come you will rape Wawel Romero, Paulo Cruzada? Wawel Romero's big sister was a teacher. Oh, if Wawel seen this, Paulo Cruzada, she will file the cases against you. She will file the lawsuit against you. Do not blame anybody. You should blame yourself. You know that, Paulo Cruzada. For what you just done to Wawel Romero and Jordan Pilapil. This is your fault. Now you see, Jordan Pilapil had message from Sophia Ahmad Sultan that she received a subpoena against you, Paulo Cruzada. You know, Mrs. Marion Cruzada, don't defend your son. Your son is a criminal. He's abnoy. He's abnormal. If I were you, Mrs. Marion Cruzada, lecture your son. What the fuck that Paulo Cruzada is harassing at? You know, Mrs. Marion Cruzada, lecture your son. I'm sorry for my nasty word. You know, if you don't lecture your son, you need to lecture your son. If I were you, you know, Paulo Cruzada, I am so very angry at you. Now you see, you have no friends. Look at your face. What is wrong with you, Paulo Cruzada, to harass Teacher May? What is wrong with you to threaten to hostage Lorraine Shook and Teacher May both? What is heck is wrong with you, Paulo Cruzada? Huh? Now you see, one more harassing at Lorraine Shook and Teacher May Tiburcio. I will contact Franco Cagayat to ramp you a vehicle, and then he will torture you. At least Franco Cagayat is really smart. He's really tough. If he ramp you up, he's going to kill you, Paulo Cruzada.